who else would be on this video? I don't know. What's up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome or welcome back. It's your girl, TonyaNicole, and you already know what you done clicked into. Buddha party has begun. Today, we are unboxing Glow Addict Beauty Bag. So I canceled the beauty box and subscribed to the beauty bag. I want to see if it is more products that I like for a cheaper price. So we're going to get into all of that in just a second. So if you want to see what's in July's beauty bag, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love chit-chatting it up. What's up, my loves? Welcome, welcome, welcome to the TonyaNicole Show with your host, TonyaNicole. Who else would be on this video? I don't know. Today, guys, we have Glow Addict Beauty Bag. This will not be a long video, guys, because I think the bag only have 4 to 5 products in it. So we're going to be going through that very quickly. I'm going to try to slow it down for all the lovers in the house tonight so that we can catch up a little bit. I wanted to let you guys know that work has been killing me, has been extremely stressful, guys. COVID is back. Well, it never left, but it's back with a vengeance. We have been having a lot of positive patients. So please, guys, please, please, please wash your hands, wear your mask. If you feel sick, stay at home, quarantine yourself. Please practice social distancing. Y'all, it's really serious, guys. It is. I can't stress enough how important it is for all of us to stay healthy, guys, really. So please protect yourself as well as others, okay? Okay. Before we go any further, I want to give, I still have glitter on my hands from my last video, guys. I'm sorry. Before we go any further, I want to give a huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. I truly adore all of my consistent people that are up waiting for me at 8 a.m. I appreciate you guys greatly. Thank you all so much. Now, let's get on into Glow Addict Beauty Bag. I don't have a drink for today, guys. I still have this leftover Monaco. I'll be sipping on that, but no fresh drink today. So if you watch my videos in the past, I used to get the Glow Addict Beauty Box. I will link some of those videos down below. And I used to like that subscription. I really did. But I found that I was getting a lot of products that I wasn't using. And that one was $18.99 each month plus shipping and tax, I think. So I wanted to try the beauty bag because it's only $13.99. You still have to pay for shipping, but the total comes out to be a little cheaper. So I wanted to see if I like these products, and we're getting less because y'all know I'm overloaded with products right now. So we're getting less products. So I just wanted to check this one out just to see if I like this one better. I did subscribe for 3 months to this sub. So after my 3rd month, I will decide if I'll keep the bag or just get rid of Glow Addict altogether. So you guys will help me decide that too. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments after you see what's in this month's bag. So let me give you a little specs on Glow Addict and then we're gonna unbox it. The one that I have today is the beauty bag. It is 4 to 5 full-size products each month for $13.99 a month. That's all that it says on my little printout right here, guys. If you use the code TONYA10, you will receive 10% off of your first box as well as on sale items. Also, they do offer a beauty box, which I told you guys was $18.99, and a skincare box, which is $24.99, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't subscribed to that, guys, because I have too much skincare now. So, yeah. Without further ado, guys, let's get this bag on and popping. Y'all, I'm in a great mood today. I just want to let y'all know that. Great mood. And get into this hair. Girl, it's so long and luxurious. I think I'm feeling like Elvira-esque today. I don't know what I'm gonna name myself for today. I'll think of something. So it came packaged like this in this cute little bag right here. I'm going to cut her open. I'm gonna just pull all the contents out. There's no card. Oh, I hate when you don't send a card, guys. I really do. But I'm going to look up all of these products and I'm going to try my best to find all of them, put their prices down below, and do a total towards the end, guys. Okay? Cool. So first up, I am seeing this little eyelash curler here. I don't know who it's from or where it's from. It has no name on it, but this is an eyelash curler. It's very cute. I like it. I like the color. I don't really use an eyelash curler because I'm so scared that I squeeze my lid and it bleed or break off or something. I don't know. So I never really use these. I may try it out. Ooh, I don't really know, guys, but it is very handy to have, like, to melt your natural lashes into your eyelashes. You use it to kind of prep your lashes for lash application or just to get them ready for mascara. So this is cute. I don't know where it's from. I'll have to email the company so she can send me at least product information on this little baby. Next up, I am seeing from Dirty Little Secret, and this is the outside packaging here, guys. And I'm gonna assume that this is it's a lip gloss, and we have the shade Bear right there. So I'm expecting like a nudie brown or peachy brown. Oh, okay. When we take it out, the packaging is gorgeous. I do like the packaging. And it's this little pink color right here with these polka dots on it. I will not open this because I really don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. So I'll be putting this in a giveaway. It is cute. I do love the packaging. I do love that it matches the box here. And y'all know I like this little kiss right here. So this is cute. Okay. Next up, I'm seeing from Steve Laurant, and this is another lip gloss. Okay. I don't know why we would get two lip glosses, but that's what the outside packaging looks like, guys. Now I kind of wish that it would have been like maybe an eyeliner or something else. I don't want two lip glosses, but this is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. It's in a nice glass jar. I am gonna open it. Oh, it's pretty though. It's a mauvey pink color. I do like that. I'm actually gonna swatch this because I think I might keep, well, I am gonna keep this one. And it's like a gloss. That's what it looks like. It has a light tint to it. I doubt if you'll be able to see it on my skin. Probably not. Let me see if I can build it up a little bit. That's what it looks like. It does feel nice and balmy, guys. It goes on very creamy. So I think I will get some good use out of this. I don't know the price. I wish I did, but I'll try to find it, guys. And last up, I am seeing from Mannakadar. This is the Luxe Lash Serum here. This is a humongous box, guys. Really big. And let's take it out. The packaging on this is very pretty. Let me cut the bottom. I do like lash serums because my lashes, I told you guys, I am part of the itty bitty teeny tiny lash committee. And this is what it looks like outside. So if anything makes my lashes look thicker or appear thicker, I will definitely give it a try. This says your lashes appear thicker, shinier and healthier looking lashes. This lash serum is rich lashes are in, and now you can achieve your best lash with Mannakadar's Luxe Lash Serum. Formulated with a blend of protein and peptides, this jewel of a serum conditions and strengthens your lashes that may lead them to look fuller, longer, and healthier. Apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. Allow serum to dry completely before applying any additional lash products. So the packaging is gorgeous, guys, just beautiful. And when we open it up, it has a, ooh, smells good. It has a big old fat wand right there, which I do kind of like. I hope that will give me some volume and make my eyes look good. So we will be testing this baby out. So that was my final product in this month's beauty bag. Let's recap it, final thoughts, and we'll be done. So I received this eyelash curler right here. From Dirty Little Secrets, this lip gloss here. From Steve Laurant, this lip gloss as well. Oh, it's called Dusty Rose, guys. And last but not least, from Mannakadar, this lash serum. So these 4 products for this month. So final thoughts, guys. For $13.99 a month, I'm not really upset about the products that I received. I think that some of them are actually pretty decent. These 2 for sure I will be using and keeping. If this was a little deeper, I would keep this as well. I have tried Dirty Little Secrets products in the past. Their lip products, I think, and I think I did like it. I think the lash curler, I won't use it, but you know, 2 out of 4 is not bad. The price point on the bag is not bad, $13. So, I mean, I wasn't like over the top thrilled. The only product that I'm really excited for is the Lash Serum and maybe the Steve Laurant lip gloss. But other than that, everything else was just like, So it wasn't too bad, but it wasn't too exciting either. And that's my final thoughts, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this month's beauty bag. Let me know if you would stick with the box, the bag, skincare box, or none. Please, I want to know. If I had to rate this bag on a scale of 1 being this bag is garbage, throw it back to the damn factory. To 5 being this bag is a bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. We're going to give Glow Addict Beauty Bag, based on the products that we received as well as the price, a whopping 3 for this month. I didn't think it was totally bad, but I wasn't totally blown away. So that's my rating, guys. Please, please, please let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to your girl. Become a part of my family. I love seeing new faces as well as my old ride or die clique. Y'all know I love y'all. Follow me on social media. All of those links will be linked down below, as well as Glow Addict's website will be linked down below as well. So that's all that I have, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did sharing it with you guys. I look forward to talking to you in the comments and on my next video. Couldn't get it out, guys. So until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed, stay quarantined, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.